Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Teams Webhook notifications to Android. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Microsoft Teams application. Select the channel where you want to set up the webhook. Click on the three dots next to the channel name. Select Connectors from the drop-down menu. In the Connectors window, search for Incoming Webhook. Choose Incoming Webhook and click Add. Provide a name. Optionally, upload an image to represent your webhook. Click on the Create button after filling out the details. Copy the generated webhook URL to your clipboard. Now, move to your Android device. Open your preferred messaging or automation app that supports webhooks. Create a new message or automation task. Paste the webhook URL you copied earlier into the designated field. Customize the message you want to send to Microsoft Teams. Make sure the message format is compatible with Teams notifications. Save the configuration in your app. Trigger the webhook by sending the message from your Android device. Go back to Microsoft Teams to see if the notification has arrived. If successful, you should see your custom message in the selected channel. Test the webhook with different messages to ensure it works properly. You are now successfully connected to Microsoft Teams webhook notifications from your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.